My name is Patrick Montgomery. I'm the training operations manager for the Institute for Recovery and Community Integration at Mental Health Partnerships. So a certified peer specialist, a CPS, is an individual who has a history of mental health concern. Oftentimes this coincides with substance use as well. There's a large portion of that Venn diagram that's in the middle, but specifically a certified peer specialist is someone who is trained to help other people who are in an earlier stage in mental health recovery and be able to utilize some of the experiences that they had and some of the lessons that they've learned to be able to impart on another individual. A lot of CPSs are people who have had to navigate these situations on their own and have had to really learn the hard way, and they haven't had someone next to them the entire time to be able to meet with them where they're at, to be able to show them inspiration, show them what they can accomplish. So now they're able to, after walking that road by themselves through a lot of difficult circumstances, they're able to use all the things that they've learned and that they've accomplished to make sure that someone else doesn't have to walk that road alone. There are so many different ways in which that training prepares people to be able to do this work and to support people who are in mental health recovery. Specifically, I would say that it gives them very practical tools in things such as wellness recovery action plan, such as motivational interviewing, reflective listening, lessons in worldview. And those are very practical things that people can be able to use as tools in the field with their own peers. But then there are also the less tangible things. There are a lot of the recovery values, learning how recovery in the model of a certified peer specialist is different than the model that you'll receive if you go to your primary care physician. Learning about how to be reflective of your own personal lived experience and empower yourself to help empower other people as well. When working with a certified peer specialist, when receiving services through peer work, you are the expert in your own recovery. You are the expert in understanding what is a meaningful life to you. You are an expert in understanding what are your goals. You are the expert of your lived experience. I've seen this training greatly change trainees' lives in the moment and also in the long term as well. I've seen that happen in ways where you obviously have realizations that people have about experiences that they've had. They connect with other people in the class. They're like, wow, this experience is not something that's isolated to my life. This is a shared experience that I have with other people. This is something that I can connect to other people in the world with. It's very inspirational. The certified peer specialist classroom landscape is a very vulnerable, important, and very inspirational one as well. And you see it in the ways that people are able to communicate and hold community in our graduations and also in the weeks leading up to that as well. There's a huge sense of community. And as we know, in order to be successful in this work, you need to have that community. No one is able to really work and be successful as an island. You are taking a step toward this is your normal life. This work is your normal life. You're not leaving this because this is some manufactured, artificial 2-week experience that isn't relevant to everything you're going to be doing. This is what you're going to be doing. So don't let this feeling leave you. Do whatever you can to hold on to this feeling of empowerment and of connection to other people, because this is something that is going to really help you in the coming months, in the coming years in the field. And it's a wonderful thing to be able to be a part of.